Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great and I'm also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. So right now I am here at my home. Actually in our city it has been raining for the last 2 days. So that's why in the morning I didn't go to my college. Actually we all know that there is a storm approaching in the Bay of Bengal. So that's why all over Bangladesh the weather looks similar. And in our city today it has been raining since morning. Now it's drizzling. Okay, so now I don't have any work in my hand. That's why now I am trying to record a video. Besides that, I'm actually listening some English musics on television. It's very important as I'm an English learner. If I listen some English songs, if I listen English podcast, if I watch English videos, it will be very helpful for me because my target is to be a fluent speaker. And if I want to be a fluent speaker, then I should listen a lot. I should watch a lot of English videos. Okay, so after finish my breakfast, then I started listening English songs, and still now I'm listening English song. And then I thought, well, let's make a video. It's also very important to record myself, and making video is one of my favorite moment. When I make video, that time I feel very delighted. Okay, so okay, look at my left there is a window. Now I am actually watching rain, listening English song, as well as making English videos. So overall it's feeling very fantastic. Okay, so in front of me there is my little brother Snigdhoda, please would you mind come in front of the camera? So Snigdhoda, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. Okay, so Snigdhoda, it's raining. So are you enjoying this rain?
Yes, I'm enjoying the rain.
Okay, that's very fantastic. Snigdho just came from his school. Today he had his uh, math exam in school. So Snigdho, how was your exam?
My exam was very nice.
Very nice. Okay, that's very fantastic. Thank you, Snigdho, for coming here in this video. It's really fantastic to speak English at home, and this is the way I'm speaking. I'm always practice my English, no matter where I am. Either I'm stay at home or outside. Just one thing that I always try to do is practice my English, because if you want to be a good speaker in English, then practice is must. The more you practice, the more you will learn, the more you fluent and confident become. So don't forget to practice your English regularly. Keep practicing, keep learning. Okay, so Snigdhoda, would you like to tell something about you?
No.
No? Okay. No problem. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best. Have a great day.